One big pine tree. That actually come out fairly easy. Top of the hill didn't have deep roots. This one had deep roots. It put up a fight. Knocked most of the dirt off of it, but big old deep roots for a pine tree. I don't know, 60, 70 feet long. I got another pile of logs. Start hauling them off. The 781. Man, I love these old machines. L series New Hollands. Tough as they come. Easy work on. At the farm, we've had a L555 for over 30 years. And I got this one the end of last year. Dutz air-cooled engine. Man, that thing's strong. Tough machine. Especially when you got a little skid loader that can knock down pine trees in about 10 minutes. 10 minutes a piece. Something like that. It's not bad. Not bad. Yeah. Hey, like my Tommy rig tailpipe. It works. Thanks for watching.